Good morning. Meet Julia Torri. Julia Torri is both Belgian and Peruvian. She is currently studying in IE University, the BBA bachelor program. She is very happy, as her smile can tell, and is very sociable. She loves to meet people, she learns things by heart very easily, but unfortunately, mathematics have never been her forte. One day, while being in class with her fellow friends, she heard about a word she had never heard before: the chain rule. Unfortunately, this word made no sense to her, which made her extremely sad. Since Julia is a very vivid and tough worker, she decided to learn it by herself. While being on the internet, she found out that the chain rule was used to differentiate the composition of a function. Although these words were straight out of a dictionary, she couldn't figure out what that meant. Then, when going more in depth in the subject, she found out that there was a formula which represented the chain formula, the chain rule. dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx. This still seemed like Chinese to her, so she decided to find out what the result of a certain equation would be with the chain rule. But for that, she had to choose numbers. Which numbers was she going to use? She decided to go and use very easy numbers for her, which were the date of her birth and her age, 23rd of April, 19 years old. These numbers into an equation ended up being 23 plus 4x to the power of 19. When looking at this, she found out that there was another formula which she had to use first: n of f of x to the power of n minus 1 times u of x prime. Well, f of x and u of x, just for information, are equal to 23 plus 4x. N is equal to 19. So she ended up going down, and just tried to resolve it. So 23 plus 4x to the power of 19, using the formula just shown above, created 19 times 23 plus 4x to the power of 18 times 23 plus 4x prime. The prime of 23 plus 4x was equal to 4, so therefore in the formula it made 19 times 23 plus 4x to the power of 18 times 4. Therefore the final result was 76 times 23 plus 4x to the power of 18. When knowing that she knew the chain rule, Julia ended up being as happy as she was before. She managed to enjoy her life and learn as much as she wanted to.